Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you a very simple vegan Momo soup. This Momo soup is normally prepared with pork or it's prepared with prawns, chicken. I like the vegan version as well. So eventually I'll show you the other versions. But this Momo soup, you just add the momos to it and some chutney and you serve it. You should have it as hot as possible. It's yummy. I prepped and reserved all the ingredients required for this recipe. It's very simple. We need chilies, peppercorns, black cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, whole coriander seeds, coriander stem and root, pink salt and ginger. So here I've got 2 cups of boiled hot water. I'm going to steep all these ingredients in the hot water first. I've added all the ingredients as it is. The chilies, you have to break it in half and add it to the hot water. What you do is allow this to steep for 1 hour's time. You don't touch it at all. Just cover it and allow it to steep for 1 hour. After an hour's time, you can see the black cardamom would have bulged, really doubled in size, almost tripled in size. At this point, your masala has steeped in the water. So after 1 hour's time, we will transfer this masala pani to the stove and allow it to boil. I've also added salt and Ajinomoto. Ajinomoto, you can add it or leave it, it's up to you. You can also use a soup cube. It's up to you. You can use Ajinomoto or you can leave it. I've added Ajinomoto, stirred it, placed it on the stove, allowed it to boil. It has to boil thoroughly and you can see the color has changed, but the soup is transparent. Now at this point I've switched the flame off. I'll remove from the flame and strain it. We need to strain this. It's got zero oil and it is a vegan recipe. Now once I've strained it, I'm going to serve this hot as possible. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All the social media handle links and my blog link will be in the description box below this video. Now the way you serve this particular soup is, you add your momos to this soup, be it chicken, prawns, vegetable or soya based, it's up to you, whatever momos you choose. Add a little bit of the red chutney and the green chutney. I'll post all the red chutney and the green chutney links also in the description box below this video. And you eat this as hot as possible. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.